Rena Hyatt from Enlighten Laser Cosmetics is back with us today, and here's the deal, ladies. We're talking to you right now. Do you wonder why maybe your sex life isn't as good as it was earlier? Maybe you've had children or you're aging and you're thinking, is there something wrong with me? I love that you're here, Rena, because this is a subject that people want to know about, but maybe they're just too afraid to ask.
I agree.
What do you have? Because we talked about this treatment, the Genevieve treatment, last time, but now we're kind of covering a different subject on how it can help you.
Yeah, we are. We're talking about the more sexual function side of things that Genevieve can help treat. It changes women's lives in so many different ways, but Genevieve treats sexual function, and it treats them all at the same time. So that's why we're here. We're giving a voice to lots of different health concerns as far as vaginal health is concerned, but this one, sexual function.
Yeah, so. Because maybe, you know, you just are chalking it up to, well, this is just what happens when you age, or this is what happens after you have children. What are some of the things that are the most common issues in this realm that women are going through?
Well, most women are experiencing, if they're coming to us and they're looking for sexual function increases, they're looking for increase in arousal. They're looking for increase in sensitivity in that vaginal area. They're looking for increase in orgasm strength, in orgasm frequency. They're looking for that overall experience that they feel like has just kind of not felt the same for a while. And whether, like you said, it has to do with having children or just a progression of aging, loss of collagen, and having children, because that vaginal tissue does stretch to accommodate a child, it changes things, and that's what we want to talk about. So,
and you know, again, it's like, do you know what we go through to have children? And collagen is a huge thing. I think sometimes, too, people take care of their facial or the décolleté area, you know, because of lack of collagen. It only makes sense that the rest of your body, as you age, is going to lose it as well. How does the Genevieve treatment actually work?
So the Genevieve treatment uses radio frequency energy. The treatment tip itself is about the size of your thumb. So my thumb is about the size of a Genevieve, a very non-invasive. And as that treatment tip is inserted into the vaginal tissue, it's able to pulse radio frequency energy to stimulate a collagen response. And not just any collagen response, but a cellular collagen response in the entire vaginal canal. So we get the introital tissue, which is that initial tissue that needs to be stimulated with collagen, and then further into the vaginal canal as well. And that's what Genevieve does.
And so we're talking non-surgery, friends. Also, this is about a 30-minute procedure.
Yeah. 30
That's
minutes.
it.
30 minutes one time. They don't have to go back 3 to 4 times like some of the other treatments out there, and it's much more effective. It's able to penetrate 10 times deeper into the cells versus the other treatments that cut the tissue. We are going cellular, and we're able to do it 10 times deeper into your cells.
I don't like the word cut in that area.
No one does.
Also, because we're talking about collagen, and it's a one-time treatment, you're actually, you go in, you do the procedure, your body starts building collagen. How long until you see these results?
So you should start to notice some results happening in about the first 30 days. Now, everybody's going to be different in what they first start noticing, but because collagen does take time to build, in the first 30 to about 90 to 120 days is your final result. So it takes about that long for you to feel like, oh my goodness, this is my final result.
Can you imagine finally you will have peace of mind knowing that there's nothing wrong with you, and that there's something that in 30 minutes that's performed by a doctor can actually change your life. Okay, so you're offering 30% off?
We're offering a 30% off discount right now, and we're also doing consultations that are completely free. A lot of offices don't do that, but we want to make sure that we're allowing women to come in and talk about their issues and make sure that we're addressing every single little thing with them. Feel free to come in, talk to us. I make sure to customize all of the treatments. Dr. Mears is involved with it as well. She's the OBGYN. She's the one that's performing the treatment. We make sure that our patients have a really comprehensive consultation. So
I like the fact that she's a she.
Yes,
it
makes a difference. It really does.
Real quick, what are some of the things that people are saying?
Some of the things that people are saying, well, you know what? We have one patient who's been more vocal about it. She did a Facebook Live segment with me. She's saying, I'm not peeing my pants during my yoga instructing anymore. She's loving the effects, too, of sexual function responses being restored. And her husband have said that it's been something that's really brought their relationship closer together after 16 years.
All 3 areas that you're probably thinking, yes, she's your spokesperson. I love it. Thank you so much, Rena, for being here. It's Enlighten Laser Cosmetics that are up in Bountiful. Just go to our website at fox13now.com. Click on the place. They'll have all the information. Thanks again. We'll be right back. Coming up next, the Utah